So we've got the tariff that we are taking from them. And again, quite similar to the other one, we want it as an integer. So we say input, and we ask them to enter the number they subscribe to, or tariff number. So and then similar to the other one, we just want to ensure that they enter the right tariff. So the way that we started the lesson today, where we're going to say if tariff is not any of these, then we should just keep asking them for their input. Then I want to send a message to say, then take the tariff again. Make sense up to this point so far? Yeah? So I'm going to get the minutes and test then. Remember, that will be outside the while loop. So input, nothing out. Ah. So we've got few options to choose from. Option one, they get charged 10 pounds for 75 free minutes, and then 250 free tests. Option two, 15 pounds. Option three, 20 pounds. Option four, 25 pounds. And then their tariffs are different. So let's go with option one. So if the tariff is one, the flat fee is 10, or the free minutes equal to 75, and then the free test equal to 250. And because we have similar things repeated, I'm going to do the same copy and paste for the ELIF. For option 2, you've got 15. And then 3 minutes. 150. Free test 250 as well.
So can the flat fee be the tariff?
Sorry?
Can the flat fee be the tariff?
Can't what be the tariff?
The flat fee.
Because we've got basically the tariff option. It's just a variable name I have given it. And for each tariff option, whether 1, 2, 3, they have a flat fee they are being charged. So the flat fee for tariff 1 is completely different from the flat fee for tariff 2. Does that make sense?
Okay, I know. Yeah, it does.
And then tariff 3, we've got 20 pounds. And then the 3 minutes, 300. The free test, 300. Then we've got option 4, where they pay 25 pounds. For 300. And I'm going to put a ridiculous number here. Like a maximum number. I know in some languages here you can actually get a huge number. I think that would be the max. There's a reason why I chose this one, because it also assigns the data type for you.
Can we is there anything to represent the number?
In some languages I know they have, like C++, you can get a max straight away. Let's test some things. Okay, so can I continue? So the good thing is that whichever option you choose is going to come along with its own flat fee, right? If you want, you can define flat fee upstairs if it's giving you upstairs in the beginning, if it's giving you error or something like that. So you can use that to the flat fee, the 3 minutes and other things. So you can simply go back to the logics that we had before to say if the minutes is greater than the 3 minutes, then you want to perform the calculations, which was the chargeable minutes and the chargeable minutes, right? That'll be minutes minus the 3 minutes. Then you can calculate the total cost per minute. Will be equal to sorry? Sorry, the 3 minutes. Sorry? Which one? Oh, yeah, thank you. So each extra minutes cost what? 12. Following on from what we did previously. Yeah. But now we are supposed to calculate it in what? Pounds, not pence. So we divide by what? So we do the same for the free test. The test.
So you saw bringing chocolates. It doesn't feel like it.
And the cost of one test is 7. So to convert that to pence, we also divide that by 100. Yeah. Some of the sessions just copy and paste anyway. And just as we did before, we find out the total bill. And I've just converted to float. Then a really quick shortcut for me. Check if it's, yeah. Line 27 doesn't like something on 27. Let me see. Again, did I do the another 3 minutes? Georgie highlighted. Sort it out. Yeah. So afterwards, I'm just going to print out the messages, right? But there's some stuff. Just note that I did some float conversion instead of int for the total bill. Then with the float, I get to play with it a little bit to say you're on the phone for minutes, and then you sent test. We've done that chargeable minutes, chargeable test. Then here, so then the cost of the minutes were like using the pound, then converting to string, keeping to 2 decimal places. And then of course, say using format to get a total cost of minutes and doing the same. You will find this more details about this in the string library or string manipulation. And that should be able to wrap up things. If I run the code, I'll choose tariff 4. How many have I used? 23, this. And then which line doesn't it like? 33. What have I done that I haven't done before? Total cost of minutes. It's not defined. Because I have the caps M. Do, 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 do.
It's not very.
4, 5. Oh.
Too much for him. So what's the format to
Sorry.
What
Yeah, to get the floating point variable into 2 decimal places. Look, 0.2f.
Oh, that F is float or so.
Yeah. Again, something is missing on 33. Total cost of tests.
How are we doing from?
I'm just testing. There are some variable things because I did a direct copy across, so I need to fix some bits. Chargeable minutes. I have capital M there. Old code going to new code. We're done. We're done. So we should be done. Sorry, to get it into the number of decimal places. Because we are displaying money. Yes. To get it into 2 decimal places. 0.2 floating decimal. 5.01, 2.05, 3.0 something. What was it? Why is it? I can't. Ah, capital. This type of thing and okay, finally. So you see, Fadi, 2 decimal places there for you. Yeah. So that's also the formatting and other things. So pretty much you can test all the scenarios when you're done with the code, and I will stop the recording here.